And we're off for another adventure. This time we're gonna go see some boats. And get some food first.
Yes, I'm starving.
Henry's gonna buy himself a boat. And it's very, very cold today.
Yeah.
Brr.
Feels like 20 degrees colder by the water than at our house.
At least we don't have to walk like we did last time.
I know.
All the construction in downtown. Do we got a walk arrow? Let's go quick. Whoop. Not sure or not. Wouldn't be so bad if it wasn't so windy out. Feel that wind, it just hurts. Having trouble controlling the carriage. It's gonna go out of control. Alright, that's when we eat lunch. I need a beer.
And warm.
And warmth.
And food.
What's left of my chicken and waffles? And our beers. Yikes. Snoozing. That's a peanut butter and jelly, a gingerbread, and none for him. We made it in. All the boats. A lot of boats. Your security roughed here? Are you scared? It's like, Daddy, that machine scares me every time I go through it. I've been through it 20 times. You can't use it in the ocean because you'd be flopping around everywhere. Right there off the back. I went on a boat like that had that plus a second level on top of it.
Yeah.
Can you picture Nola on that slide?
Yeah. Henry sliding down.
Probably. It's probably like events they're doing for like different shows and stuff. Do you want to buy a boat that's double the price of a house?
No.
Nah. Unless we're living there. Henry's college fund. Let's see. We can go down here. We'll go down this way, swing around, and I think we're at the end. I feel like there were bigger boats when I was a kid.
So are you going to have this over every week?
Henry, did you find any boats you liked? The big ones? Yeah? Daddy, I need a life jacket though, just in case. Alright, we're leaving the expo. Did we buy a boat?
We did.
We did. We bought a yacht, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be great. Can't wait. It's the summertime. We're gonna have a boat. I'm just kidding. We didn't. I think it's all relative. We're leaving the spaceship known as the convention center. Does look like a spaceship, doesn't it?
It does.
That's where we ate last time. In that place at O'Connor's. And that will conclude our day here. We went to City Tap restaurant. Excellent. Probably go back there again. Lots of good beer selections. Food is very, very good. They had breakfast all day today till 3. I shouldn't say all day, till 3 o'clock. So we had great, awesome breakfast. They went to the boat show. The boat show was really cool. Got to see some boats and walked around. Henry enjoyed it. And I love those places. You walk around. Like 2 weeks ago, we were at the RV show. This week, we're at the boat show. Get to see some stuff that you want to buy. Eventually, we're going to get an RV. Eventually, we're going to get a boat. We just want to get an idea of what we're going to get. So, and it's, you know, inexpensive. Kids are free to go in there. And giving free stuff away. And I got to spend the day in Boston. So that is our Saturday. Hope you guys enjoyed the trip. Make sure you subscribe and like the videos and comment and all that stuff. And we'll have more videos for you to come. So thanks again, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye. And there's a moon in the background. A full moon tonight as we arrive home. Got the dogs out. It's very brisk, cold New England night. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.